2023 Tigro bus. The 2023 Tiffin Allegro bus is a luxury RV that turns every road trip into a first-class experience. With a price starting above $500,000, it's built for people who want to explore the world without giving up the comfort of home. Step inside and you'll find a roomy living space with super comfy sofas, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. The modern kitchen lets you cook your favorite meals on the go, and there's even a private bedroom where you can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. The bathroom feels like a mini spa with sleek finishes and plenty of space. What makes the Allegro bus even better is its smart features, like smartphone controls, and a strong engine that makes driving smooth and easy, whether you're on highways or winding back roads. Everything is designed for convenience and comfort. Whether you're a full-time traveler or just love weekend getaways, this RV gives you the best of both worlds, freedom and luxury. 2024 Newell Coach P50. The 2024 Newell Coach P50 is a luxury motorhome that feels more like a high-end apartment on wheels. Stretching 45 feet long with 4 large slide-outs, it gives you plenty of room to relax in style. Under the hood, it packs a powerful 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine and a smooth 6-speed Allison transmission, making long highway drives feel effortless. Inside, everything is designed for comfort and class. Marble-style floors, quartz countertops, leather recliners, and heated porcelain tile floors. The kitchen includes a wine fridge, induction cooktop, dishwasher, and an expandable dining area, while the master suite features a junior king bed, a full private bath, and tons of storage. There's even a half bath for guests. High-tech features like electronic steering, total vision cameras, keyless entry, and a touchscreen control system make everything feel modern and easy to use. 2024 Newmar King Air. The 2024 Newmar King Air is a luxury motorhome built to impress. It's massive, nearly 45 feet long, and packed with high-end features that make life on the road feel like staying in a 5-star hotel. Built on a strong Spartan K3 chassis and powered by a 605 horsepower Cummins engine, it has the strength to handle long trips while keeping the ride smooth and quiet. Inside, it's all about comfort and class. You get real Italian leather furniture, heated tile floors, beautiful hardwood cabinets, and even quartz countertops. With slide-outs that expand your living space, there's room for up to 8 people to relax and enjoy. It also comes with top-of-the-line tech like 8K and 4K TVs, Bose sound systems, touchscreen controls, and safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and blind spot alerts. The kitchen feels like home, and the spacious bathroom adds even more comfort. Anderson Mobile Estates. Anderson Mobile Estates takes luxury RV living to a whole new level. These are not just motorhomes, they're custom-built, 2-story mobile mansions designed to impress. Created by Ron Anderson, the same genius behind celebrity trailers for stars like Will Smith, these RVs offer everything you'd expect from a 5-star hotel on wheels. When parked, the upper deck expands to offer more than 1,200 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find premium materials like marble floors, granite countertops, Italian cabinetry, and plush leather seating. Some models even include 14-plus TVs, a gourmet kitchen, multiple bathrooms, and a private office. Every unit is packed with smart technology, biometric locks, automatic doors, satellite internet, and full touchscreen controls that let you manage everything from lights to entertainment. Off 130-kilometer truck, the mobile event space that goes anywhere. The Off 130-kilometer truck is a one-of-a-kind mobile venue that transforms into a massive 130-square-meter space in just 20 minutes. It's the perfect solution for companies that want to take their brand on the road and host eye-catching events anywhere. Once expanded, this truck becomes a modern showroom with see-through glass walls on all 4 sides, letting in natural light and giving your setup a clean, stylish look. Inside, there's plenty of room for guests to relax on sleek white sofas, gather around tables, and enjoy drinks at a glowing LED-lit bar. The truck is fully equipped with essentials like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and a private bathroom, making it as comfortable as it is impressive. Whether you're hosting a product launch, a pop-up event, or a mobile exhibition, the Off 130-kilometer truck delivers a premium experience. Shaboose, a fun, fast, and portable home for outdoor adventures. The Caboose by Maverick is a cool and compact housing pod that's perfect for outdoor lovers. At first glance, it looks like a giant Lego block, but it's actually a small, smart home made for glamping, festivals, and events. Each unit measures just 2.3 by 1.8 meters, but has everything you need: lockable doors, USB ports for charging your devices, and built-in LED lighting. The best part? You can set it up in just 5 minutes. No need for any special tools or vehicles either. 4 people can carry the parts easily and build it on the spot. And if you want more space, you can stack another unit on top to create a 2-level pod that sleeps up to 4 people. Whether you're going camping, attending a music festival, or just need a temporary outdoor room, the Caboose is a fun and creative solution. It's lightweight, portable, and super quick to build. Caracat 66. The Caracat 66 is an incredible hybrid between a camper and a boat, giving you the freedom to travel both on land and water in total comfort. It's 6.6 meters long and looks like a stylish caravan when towed, but once it hits the water, it transforms into a stable catamaran with extendable pontoons. Inside, it's packed with luxury, from a comfy lounge that turns into beds for up to 6 people, to a full bathroom and a modern kitchen with a wine cooler, fridge, and cooktop. There's even an optional pop-up roof for extra space and a rooftop deck to enjoy the sun. It runs on a quiet electric motor with solar panels to power your onboard needs, and it even offers a diesel option if needed. The sleek design includes leather interiors, marine-quality finishing, and thermal glass windows for comfort and durability. Whether you're cruising on a lake or camping near the coast, the Caracat 66 gives you the best of both worlds: a cozy high-end RV and a relaxing watercraft all in one. Cortez 17 Camper, built tough, styled for comfort. The Cortez 17 Camper is a premium travel trailer made for people who love outdoor adventures without giving up comfort. It's built using 100% molded fiberglass with no wood, carpets, or rivets, so it's super tough, waterproof, and won't rust or get moldy. Whether you're heading to the mountains or cruising through the countryside, the independent Timbren suspension system ensures a smooth, stable ride on all kinds of roads. Inside, the camper is surprisingly spacious and perfect for 2 people. The seating area easily transforms into a comfy double bed, giving you a cozy space to relax at night. You can customize it with handy extras like built-in kitchen appliances, solar panels, electric jacks, stabilizers, and tank heaters. It's lightweight yet strong, and designed to last for years. The modern look and multiple color options make it stand out, while the smart design gives you everything you need in a compact form. Dometic awning. The Dometic awning is a great way to add extra space and comfort to your camping trip. If your trailer feels a bit small, just attach this inflatable awning and enjoy a bigger, more relaxing setup in minutes. It's super easy to use. Place a few poles, drape the fabric, and then simply inflate it. In no time, you'll have a strong, weather-resistant space perfect for relaxing, eating, or sleeping. These awnings come in different sizes to suit your needs. Some are about 10 feet tall and 13 feet wide, giving you enough room for 2 or 3 extra people. Others are even bigger, perfect for larger families or extra gear. No matter the weather, you'll stay dry and cozy thanks to the durable, waterproof material. Rain, snow, or sunshine, the Dometic awning keeps you protected. And when it's time to move on, it packs down quickly. Just deflate it and store it in its special bag. No mess, no stress. EF Pro Cycling Truck. The EF Pro Cycling Truck is like a high-tech support home on wheels for the EF Education Nippo cycling team. Painted in eye-catching pink, it reflects the team's bold and energetic vibe. But it's not just about looks. This truck is packed with everything a top cycling team needs on the go. Inside, you'll find world-class tools, spare parts, and equipment, all handled by expert mechanics who make sure every bike is perfectly tuned and ready to race. It's more than a workshop. It's a mobile base where the team can relax, plan, and recharge during tough races. Whether the riders are speeding through Europe's cobbled roads or climbing steep mountains in the US, this truck is always nearby, offering a place to rest, talk strategy, and stay focused. It keeps the team organized and ready, even during the most intense competitions. Behind every podium finish, there's a group of behind-the-scenes heroes working inside this truck, making sure everything runs smoothly. The Cabing T30 is a small but powerful portable air cooler that helps you beat the heat wherever you are. It's perfect for use in your bedroom, office, car, or even while camping. Designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, this mini cooler gives you cool, refreshing air with just the press of a button. It runs quietly, so you can work, sleep, or relax without any noise. The built-in rechargeable battery makes it super convenient. Just charge it with a power bank, laptop, or car charger, and enjoy hours of cool air. You can also adjust the fan speed to your liking, and the misting feature adds a gentle spray of moisture that makes the air feel even more refreshing. The water tank is simple to refill, and the whole device is energy efficient, so it won't add much to your power bill. Whether you're facing summer heat indoors or out on an adventure, the Cabing T30 is a reliable way to stay cool and comfortable. It's the perfect personal cooler to take with you wherever you go. The Fire Hiking Leva Plus Hot Tent is a great choice for staying warm and comfortable during cold weather camping. Designed for 1 to 3 people, this tent is perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, hunting, or winter camping. It's made from strong, waterproof material that keeps you dry and protected from wind, rain, and snow. What makes this tent special is the built-in stove jack, which lets you safely use a wood stove inside, keeping you warm and cozy, even on freezing nights. Its TP-style shape is not only cool-looking, but also helps with stability and makes snow slide off easily. The tent is lightweight and easy to carry, and you can set it up in just a few minutes with the included center pole. It has vents for fresh air and a large front door that zips open for easy entry. Foretravel IH-45. The Foretravel IH-45 is not just an RV, it's a luxury home on wheels made for people who want to travel in style. With a price tag of around $1.65 million, it offers everything you'd expect from a high-end apartment, but on the move. Inside, you'll find a spacious living room with soft sofas to relax on, a modern kitchen to cook your favorite meals, a private bedroom that feels cozy and quiet, and even a bathroom that gives you spa-like comfort. What makes the IH-45 even more special is its powerful engine and smooth air ride suspension, which means your journey stays comfortable even on rough roads or steep hills. No need for hotel bookings or crowded campsites. This motorhome gives you full freedom to explore wherever you want while keeping all the comforts of home. Whether you're chasing sunsets, going on long road trips, or just escaping the busy city life, the Foretravel IH-45 makes sure you do it with class and ease. The Furrion Elysium RV is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling luxury mansion that turns heads wherever it goes. Stretching 45 feet long, this futuristic RV offers everything you'd expect from a high-end hotel, and then some. Inside, you'll find a fully equipped chef's kitchen, a cozy fireplace, 3 massive 75-inch 4K TVs, a smart bathroom with a steam shower, and sleek modern interiors that scream luxury. Every detail is crafted for comfort and style, making it feel more like a fancy apartment than an RV. But the real showstopper is on the roof, a rooftop deck complete with a hot tub, lounge area, and even a helipad with a real Robinson R-22 helicopter parked on top. Yes, you can literally fly in or out of your RV. The Elysium also features cutting-edge smart tech, from high-end infotainment systems to smart climate control and motion smoothing technology for a ride as smooth as it is stylish. Genius Hausbude, your floating tiny home. The Genius Hausbude from Germany is a small but stylish houseboat that turns everyday living into a water-based adventure. At just 11.2 meters long and 3.9 meters wide, it's the perfect size for calm rivers and lakes, and it easily passes through narrow locks. Don't let its size fool you. This houseboat is packed with comfort. Inside, it feels like a cozy apartment, complete with a double bed, a compact kitchen, and a private shower. The interior is lined with warm wooden finishes that give it a natural and homely feel. One of the coolest features is the rooftop area, where you can relax, enjoy the views, or even host a mini gathering with friends. It runs on a single outboard motor, making it simple to drive and perfect for weekend getaways or long, peaceful stays on the water.